Okay, so you've installed your new Chamberlain RollerLift roller door motor. Now we're going to set up the limits. Now switch on the power, of course. The courtesy light will glow. Now you're gonna hold your finger on the P for program button right here. Hold that for a few seconds. And you'll get some LEDs light up and a flash. Now make sure the motor's engaged. Just turn the door, make sure it's locked in. Now the number 2 and 3 will flash if the motor is on the right hand side. If your motor is on the left hand side, press the S button. That would change to number 1 and 3, which indicates the motor is on the left hand side of the door. But because we're on the right hand side, we'll put it back to 2 and 3. Press P to enter that setting. And just follow the prompts on the screen, which is number 2 next to the up button. Hold that one down until the door reaches the top stopper of the track, or stop when you've reached enough height that you prefer. So about there is pretty good for me. You can squeeze a bit more out of it, but that'll do. Now press P to set that setting right there. Now the LED will light up next to down or number 1. So now hold the down button until the top of the door, the bottom of the door, sorry, reaches the floor. This one is not the greatest of sealing floors, but we'll keep holding that button until it reaches the floor. If you let go, it'll stop. You can go back up again if you go too far down. You just want to touch the door on the bottom rubber. Don't over close it too much, or you'll stress out your motor. So this is the correct speed while it's setting up. Okay, so that did touch the floor somewhere along there, maybe the middle there, and went a bit too far, so we'll back that off a fraction by pressing the up button. All right, so you do want a little bit of play up here. And now when the bottom is set how you like it, press the P button to set that one. Now it will prompt you to press the up button, and this basically weighs the door and sets the sensitivity setting. So this is a fully automatic process. And once the door reaches the top, it will prompt you to press the down button, and it will sense the pressure that it requires to run the door in the down position. All right, so that's happy. It shuts nicely, it opens nicely. All the lights have turned off. You shouldn't have any of these LEDs flashing, just the courtesy light. Now we can operate the one underneath here. And there we go, that's how you set up your Chamberlain RollerLift roller door motor. I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.